Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Glen. I'm a designer and a developer. In fact, I'm still learning these domains, so I'm not sure if I can tag myself as a complete designer and developer. But either ways, I just want to document the behind the scenes of trying to learn something new. So 3D modeling has been something which I wanted to learn for a long time now, and I came to know that Blender is a free open source tool, and there are tons of tutorials online, which is great. So I have a playlist lined up here, and I'm going with Keelan Jon's Blender 3D icon modeling tutorial, and it's for beginners. So, and it's totally unscripted, guys. I have no idea how this is going to end, and it's just a real-time recording. Now, in case this video ever comes out, I'll leave a link to this video down in the description. Hope you guys find it useful. It's going to be a quick time-lapse one. Either ways, let's begin. Oh wait, if you did find it useful, do give a like, a share and a subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon because it tremendously validates my efforts and helps me to come up with more creative contents. So let's begin. Fingers crossed. Alright. Let me begin. Escape this one over here, and I'm going to post the recording there. Yep. So that's pretty much it. We are done with the modeling, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Thanks to Keelan Jon and his beautiful tutorial on 3D icon modeling for beginners. I was able to follow it up to a greater extent. Now, I did face a few hiccups here and there, and that's mainly because my laptop's resource utilization is off. I mean, towards the end, I was not able to render the image, and it's a pretty high quality image, as you can see. And I had to stop my screen recording, I had to stop my audio recording, I even had to close Google browser to make sure there's a sufficient bandwidth for my laptop to render the image. And towards the end, it started not responding for at least 5 times, and that started getting me worried. And I made sure I saved it every single instant because it would suck to do everything from scratch again after reaching to a certain point. Either ways, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Hope you found it useful. It's totally unscripted, guys. I mean, I just wanted to document the process. And I hope you found it useful. And this is, in fact, the reality. I guess it's the same way that everyone else learned something. And I'm really happy there are now content creators and developers out there, leaving content out there, teaching us through their videos. So I hope you found it useful. If you did, do give a like, a share, and a subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon because it tremendously validates my efforts and helps me to come up with more creative contents. Alright, so now I have a few more sketches to turn into a 3D models, and let's see how this one goes. Maybe I'll follow up a few more tutorials to learn new tricks. Either ways, that's it. Take care. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.